Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with one more video. So today the theme is all about talk with an HR. So today we have Monish, who is an recruiter by profession, and he have approximately 1 year of experience in recruiting the candidates. And today he will be sharing his important points while hiring a candidate. And without wasting much time, let's start to talk. And before that, guys, I would like to mention we have a Telegram community group. If you're not yet joined a community group, just click on below it and just go and have a look into that. And the main benefit of being in the community is you can ask any kind of questions with respect to any company. People in the community will surely help you, and just make use of a community. And coming to the talk, here we have Monish, who was my senior as well as a mentor, and he's also my good friend. And today he'll be sharing all the important view recruiter will be considering in the candidates while hiring him, and he'll be giving a small tip for a candidate so that you can prepare according to that. Without wasting much time, let's start to talk. Hi Monish, welcome to the channel.
Hi Akshay, how are you?
We are doing good, Monish. I hope you are doing the same.
Yeah, I'm doing great.
So Monish, nothing man, just give a small introduction about yourself and over to you.
Yep. Hi friends. So this is Maunish. I work as a recruiter and lead recruiter at Creativity Technologies, and I have been working there from approximately 1 year. And what exactly we'll do? The nature of our business is recruiting the people for different kind of job postings that we'll get from the clients. So Akshay, Akshay, you have been a great junior for me, and we have been in touch from a very long time. From past 4 years, I can tell it to you as.
Yeah.
And I'm very glad to be featuring on your channel, YouTube channel, and it is very good that one of my junior is taking an initiative and helping freshers or colleges to get through the interview process and all, to know and to get to know about lot of things.
So
Good work, Akshay.
I was not expecting that, but happy to hear that, Monish. Thank you.
Okay,
And Monish, coming to the talk, just wanted to ask, what are the parameters you will be considering while hiring a candidate? So since you have been working in a recruiter department since for 1 year, so just wanted to know, what are the parameters you consider in a candidate while hiring him? What do you?
Okay. Candidate. So what usually a recruiter or a hiring manager will be doing is he'll be having a job description. So what the candidates or the freshers will do, the main mistake what they'll be doing is they'll apply to irrelevant jobs.
Agreed.
And with irrelevant skills. So the kind of skill set what they're having and the kind of skill set what the hiring manager or the job description is asking will be quite different.
Agreed.
So in order to get 100 out of 100 or 90 out of 100 chances to get hired, so one should apply for a job which is matching his skill set.
Okay.
And go through the job description as well. So being as a recruiter, we'll be mainly focusing on the candidates who will be having the skill set what we want.
Okay, got it.
So this is the main parameter. And basically as a freshers, we can know, because the kind of things that we learn in our colleges and the kind of things that we'll do in the industry are very similar but very different.
Yeah, understood. So
we'll be just learning the basics from colleges, and when we come into industry, we'll get into depth.
Understood.
So being as a fresher, one should be very open to learn. One should have good understanding over the technologies and terminologies and the screens what will be going in the industries. So if he is available, if he or she, whoever it is, if they are aware about the skills and the technologies what is going on industry, and if they are having good idea about that, so that's well and good for a fresher.
So what you're trying to say is just focusing on the academic portion, just try to implement the real world knowledge or two, right?
Yeah.
So Monish,
exactly.
So just a curious question, are you asking the question based upon the CV, or already the questions has been scripted from the HR? So we have we have a confusion that whenever we join the TR invite link, these panelist members will be already having this set of questions. These are the questions what we have to ask to the candidate. Are you already have such kind of questions, or the questions will be framed upon the CV or introduction? Any talk on
Okay, let me clear about this thing as well.
that? Okay, yeah.
So the questions will go on CV most of the times when you are an experienced candidate. So while hiring an experienced candidate, the questions will go on based on his CV, what are the skills mentioned, so based on his project's experience. So so if a person X has worked in so and so company and worked on so and so projects, he'll be mentioning quite responsibilities, right?
Okay.
So what he has done, what he exactly he has been doing, what the project he has undergone and all. So based on that, the questions goes on for experience. For a fresher, so while hiring a fresher, usually it will go mostly scripted.
Okay.
But many a times it goes out of the script as well.
Okay.
We can't expect, anyone can't predict it. It always depends on the mood or how a recruiter is going to speak.
Okay, like as you're trying to say is like based upon introduction, questions may frame. Is that correct?
Yeah, exactly. Based on introduction, how well you show up your profile.
Understood.